Hey everyone, welcome back to FourWheelsEmpire. If you're noticing that your car isn't running quite right, you might be dealing with a bad thermostat. In today's video, we're going to break down the common symptoms of a failing thermostat and why it's important to address the issue quickly. The thermostat is a valve that is situated between the engine and radiator. When the coolant is too warm, the valve opens and lets the hot coolant through to the radiator where it is cooled down. If the coolant is not hot, the valve will stay closed and the coolant will continue to circulate in the block. First up, let's talk about engine overheating. Your car's thermostat controls the flow of coolant to the engine. If it gets stuck closed, coolant can't circulate properly, leading to overheating. If you see the temperature gauge creeping into the red zone or the warning light comes on, pull over and let your engine cool down. Overheating can cause serious damage, so don't ignore this warning sign. Another symptom to watch for is coolant leaks. A bad thermostat can cause pressure to build up, which might force coolant to escape from the weakest point, usually a hose or the thermostat housing itself. If you notice puddles of coolant under your car, it's time to investigate. Does your temperature gauge swing wildly between hot and cold? That could be a sign of a sticking thermostat. If it's stuck open, your engine might struggle to reach its optimal operating temperature, leading to inconsistent readings. This can also result in poor heater performance during colder months. If your thermostat is stuck open, your engine might run cooler than it should. While that might sound like a good thing, it actually means your engine isn't running efficiently. A cooler engine can lead to poorer fuel economy, which means more trips to the pump and more money out of your pocket. Ever notice that your heater isn't blowing hot air like it used to? If the thermostat is stuck open, the engine may not get warm enough to produce sufficient heat for the cabin. So, if you're shivering on a cold morning, your thermostat could be the culprit. One of the easiest ways to detect a bad thermostat is by using an OBD scanner. When a vehicle's thermostat is malfunctioning, it can trigger a diagnostic trouble code DTC that alerts you to the issue. On screen, some common DTCs related to thermostats. As with any system, eventually, your thermostat will become outdated. Modern home thermostats tend to have about a 10-year lifespan but are usually replaced sooner due to innovations in the market. Non-programmable thermostats have become outdated and replaced by programmable or learning thermostats. So there you have it, those are the common symptoms of a bad thermostat. If you're experiencing any of these issues, don't wait to get it checked out. A faulty thermostat is a small part, but it can cause big problems if ignored. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your car running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.